What's up, YouTube? So today we're out back later today. We got the GP1800 2023. Got the new color scheme. It's a Riva stage 2, actually, free flow exhaust and everything. My boy Austin, just met him on the lake. I heard the ski go by. He's actually a fan of the channel. He's seen some videos, so I thought I'd make some content. So we're gonna race JETSKI versus my GP. They're pretty close in comparison. And we're gonna race that one against the stage 1 FX, and then we're gonna race these two skis together. See how they work. So. 2023 GP1800r Riva stage 2. Let's check it out. Your front end doesn't weigh anything, and your trim works. Well, mine, that's what prevents mine from hopping normally. I'll try to turn it up and down as I go, but. All right, you ready? Yeah. Where's the park from here? Straight ahead. Uh-oh. All right, we gotta go in front of this boat. All right, 3, 2, 1. Not even that, dude. It's like the exact same. They both run 82. I mean, it's literally, he just has a blow-up valve and an exhaust, and I don't.
I got 70 going down through here.
I had 72 this morning on it, which is like a 5 mile/hour difference than what it was.
I see you running. Yeah. Yeah. I parked in the grass. I was like, hey.